Hello everyone, Guillermo with G&G Paver Sealing and Pressure Washing. We're at another customer's house where we begin pressure washing from the front of the house, that entrance door, and using my wand all the way to the garage doors, and then I start using my surface cleaner. You will see my little pal, buddy, Percy running around. That's my personal dog. He's adorable, so stay tuned, enjoy the video, and thanks for watching.
Read my eyes, do I want to stay? If you thought you weren't made that way, it's the choices we make. We give and take, and I know you will keep trying. Said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine. And you gave me that smile. We stood there for a while. That was when you woke me up. All this time I didn't know I had my heart on standby. That it is love that I am feeling inside. What it means to be a human. All this time I've been a fool for not seeing you shine. I let my circus money say you'll be mine. You are the only one who without emotions made of steel. What was I supposed to feel? I didn't want to take chances. Past romances were telling me I'd just crash again. I said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine. You gave me that smile. I stood there for a while. That was when you woke me up. All this time I didn't know I had my heart on standby. That it is love that I am feeling inside. What it means to be a human. All this time I've been a fool for not seeing you shine. I let my circus glory say you'll be mine. You are the only one who teach you both how to do.
Thank you for watching.